Hey.
Hey.เนื้อเปื่อยลูกชิ้นเอ็นของกล้วยพิเศษ
take long. What
มีอะไรต้องสั่ง
I can't heard this.
ปลาหมึกแช่ใช่ไหมปลาหมึกแช่เอาแค่นี้เหรอครับ Everyone Thai like this can eat everything
所以你现在是在做 YouTube 哦？也包含这个吗？食物没有。食物。
In fact, there was once I kind of regret not going. This like
Mookata
I want to go because it's very late.
This called Mookata
Then you regret.
Yeah everyone like
This is the raw.
SM demonstration.
I have some skill why have slope I don't know why until now I don't know why to do this but you have to worry the water for
This is
อันนี้เอาเก็บYeah, very good. Okay. Good. Wow. That's very good. The sauce, หมูกระทะ not spicy, same dish. But this is look like a seafood sauce. The taste like a seafood. Because this restaurant is special. And someone told this said look like a lady boy taste.
Why?
Sissy. You know for Thailand is called if you gay you sissy you lady boy you like spicy salad. You can choose you can tell you need mookata seafood or pork or beef or chicken you can choose.
You've been here, right? You've been here.
the first time. Yeah. But very good, very delicious. I will come back again.
You come.
See you back. See you.
Okay.